Projects versus time for completion. Various structures, works, projects have various time or duration for completion. For example, O&M works of canals, operation and maintenance works of canals or canal structures is generally 45 days. Individual structures time to complete 45 to 90 days. That is working period excluding water regulation period and rains period, etc. All minor projects must complete in 1 to 3 months to 3 to 6 months. That is 3 months minimum, maximum 6 months. And medium type projects duration to complete 3 to 6 months to 6 months to 1 year. That is minimum 6 months and maximum 1 year. Major projects to complete, the time duration is 2 to 3 years to 5 years. That is minimum 2 to 3 years to maximum 5 years. Major projects with canals or distribution works means distributory systems works linked with distributaries, structures, gates, etc. Then the time duration is 3 to 5 to 5 to 10 years maximum. That is minimum 5 years and maximum 10 years. However, it is better to complete in a span of 3 to 5 years by making the whole work into different packages and giving to different subcontractors, etc. It's an easy procedure. Generally, delay happens because of land acquisition problem, forest clearance area pending, and endowment department land pending, or other departments land clearance pending, or no sufficient funds with the main contractor or agency, or problems with subcontractors, no LOC, no proper timely payment by state or central governments or concerned governments, etc. These are the main reasons for delay of projects. It may be noted that very fast doing of works is harmful. You can't get quality works. At the same time, very slow or poor progress is also harmful and loss to both agencies and government departments. Generally, agencies will have up to 14% legal profit, that is called as contractor profit, given by the department, government, organization. It is added in the data. And private companies staff workers to engineers, and government department staff will get monthly salaries. And politicians, ruling politicians, and secretaries, HODs, etc. will also get salaries. So, anybody not to take any bribe or person not to demand any bribe from contractors. All have to work together. Construction agencies and construction staff department and quality control staff, vigilance staff, politicians, all together work for qualitative, quantitative and useful works for the society. This is the fact and truth. Projects means works. Project means a work or a structure or complex works. Include roads, buildings, lakes, overhead tanks, ghat roads, bridges, SP means super passes, siphon, aqueducts, anecut, dam, reservoir, water lines, and lift irrigation schemes, and railway line works, PWD, CPWD, town cities works, harbor works, and airport works, industries, factories works, office, assembly buildings works, court buildings works, secretariat buildings works, temples works, and wagus, river works, etc. Any project work, engineering work is a teamwork. Teamwork is necessary for surveying, investigation, planning, designing, estimation, execution of various kinds of structures and projects and works. And projects must be fruitful to the society.